Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life. Welcome back to my channel. This is the April Scrappy chat for my channel here on YouTube. And I'm just here to talk about what happened in March to catch up to April, and then what's going forward into April with my business, my Scrappy Life, and just in general. So in the month of March, you guys all know that I did a video a day and with Laura Alberts called Scrap Madness. That was absolutely amazing due to the amount of guest designers we had almost every day and everything else that we have done. I was able to gain 200 subscribers, so now I'm a little over 1,400 subscribers. Yay me, I'm so excited. So if you're watching this, welcome to my channel. I do this once a month, and it's always around the beginning. I try to get it in before like the 6th or 7th. So today is the 7th, so I'm trying to get it up on my channel today so that you guys can see it and enjoy the rest of the month of April. I am, if you guys don't know and you're new to my channel, obviously I do a variety of things. I am part of a couple design teams, but I'm also a close to my heart consultant. Now, this month is the last month for the catalog that is current, and the new catalog will start in May. So this month they are calling stuff back that were original papers back in the day, and bringing them back 1 month or 2 months depending on what they decide to do. So the first one, it's called Zoe, and I absolutely loved it. In my group for hashtag my Scrappy Life, apparently I can't talk today, I posted in there the paper of what the collection is and what you can get. You can still get the stamp set, all of that stuff. If you're new to that collection, has never purchased it, or if you have, you can repurchase the papers. The only thing that is new compared to when it first came out is they added stickers and not the embellishments that they had when it first came out. So I was lucky enough to get it when it was first done. And so in there, I listed some of the layouts that I did with those papers, and it's all out there on my website. It's ready to go. My website is linked down below in the description, but it's also Miranda Webber 82 closetomyheart.com. But it is linked down below. Just look for my website and that says Close to My Heart, and you can purchase out of there if you'd like. I do have a monthly event that's always up, and I pick one hostess each month, and in June, May, June, I will be looking for my new set of girls for the next 6 months that would start in July. So if you're interested, pop me a message and I can let you know what the deets are on that, and when it gets closer, I'll have a video for that as well. I will have a video up, and it will be only for my group that is on Facebook. That will be for all of the new collections that go into the new catalog that starts in May. I did purchase, I'm just waiting for them to come in so that I can be able to do that video. And I always link that video once it is live and the catalog is live to my description in my profile for my YouTube here, so that you can see the new products. And then if you would be interested in a catalog, you could always comment and message me down below, or find me on social media of any way, shape, or form. So that is close to my heart. Obviously, I always love all of the new customers, so if you're wanting to purchase or get the new catalog or any of that, leave a comment down below. In the month of March, I was asked by another group, I wanted to branch out just a little bit in my design team and get a little bit more of a challenge, and I happened to find this company. It's an amazing group of ladies that they're strictly bloggers and they're card makers, but they asked me if I would be interested in doing the YouTube channel and do scrapbooking for their little challenges that they have twice a month. And I was like, yeah, that would be amazing. So I joined the design team that's called Festive Friday. That got launched in March, that I was part of, or here in the beginning of April. I was waiting for that to get out before I did the Scrappy chat. I am going to be doing a video of what they are doing for challenges right now. And then my first official design team layout and process video and stuff will be on April 19th. So be on the lookout for it. For that. It is amazing. I absolutely love what they do over there. They're all card makers, but I love to take their challenges and turn it into a scrapbooking layout for them. And it's just something to broaden your horizons of taking little bits of what could go on a card and then just make it that tad bit bigger. Or you can make it a card too if you are a card maker. So that is new. I'm also still part of the Crafty Maven Getaway. I absolutely love that channel. You'll see 2 of them on my channel coming up for this month, as well as I'm hoping that Laura and I bring back, we probably will, but we're giving ourselves just a tad bit of a break and slowing down just a little bit coming out of March. We'll bring back Scraplift Sunday as well. I absolutely love Scraplift Sunday, and it's amazing. And I just love doing that too. So that is about it of what I've got. And of course, obviously, you know, check out my group, check out my blog, check out my YouTube channel if you're new to my channel. Like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Other than that, I hope that you guys have an amazing April. It is starting to finally be nice here in Georgia. Just yesterday I went and did all of my flowers and got some of my pots ready to go. Our garden is growing like weeds right now. Well, good stuff. There's plants and stuff in there, but it's coming to a head. We're trying to get our grass to grow. The state of Georgia does not love grass, I swear. At least in the area that I'm at. My daughter has spring break coming up this week, so that'll be nice for her and I. We'll be home. And I start my new adventure in 2 weeks. On the 16th of April, I will be a full-time teacher. I transferred from retail to this. If you haven't followed my story on social media or through all of my channels, you can definitely go back and look. But I went from 16, between 15 to 20 years. I can't quite remember exactly when I started, but it's close, of retail management, and now I am becoming a newbie in a career of teaching middle schoolers. So that'll be nice. So that is starting here in April on the personal side. And let's see here, I think that is about it. So with all that being said, if you have any comments, questions, concerns, etc., all of that stuff, if you're wanting catalogs for Close to My Heart so that you can get it when it first hits, you certainly can. Other than that, I'm hoping to have a video up tomorrow for you. Otherwise, they'll be coming this week. And I will talk to you soon. Bye!